Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to fix Steam Workshop Downloader free space left error. Now this error usually happens on a Steam Workshop downloader, so whenever you're downloading games, or maps, this is what happens. So I actually found a very good Reddit post on this. So as you can see, some time ago I asked if there was a way to get Steam mods to work on pirated games, and after a bit of digging I found a website mentioned in the title. However, it appears that certain mods work while others don't. So how can you fix the free space left error? Now, as you can see right here, this person 1 year ago posted, "Hey, I know I'm quite late to the post, but a working alternative is ggntw.com." So basically you want to go to this website right here, and on this website you can go and you can download pretty much mods for any game out there. Now as you can see, Thanks really needed to download the UA mod for CIV6 but was getting free space left. So if you're getting free space left, this is probably the best way to go and fix it with this. Now there are other downloaders and other platforms similar to this. You can go and you can just type in the title of this video. So for example, how to fix Steam Workshop downloader free space left. And as you can see here, you have a couple of alternatives such as on GitHub, like this one right here. And you have also a couple of alternatives along the way, like for Workshop DL, for example, the best workshop downloader. So those are also a couple of alternatives, but pretty much, one of the best ones is this one, which is called ggntw. So yeah, if you have any questions or comments regarding this video, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.